Track rod end's gone on the Clio, time to replace it. I prefer to give myself as much chance as possible, so I like to clean any crud from the threads across here and follow it up with some WD-40 or similar. And probably worth doing it for the threads on the track rod arm, the track rod as well. Brake dust. Tasty. And yes, I've lost the stopper for my WD-40 and I haven't got a spare. In my experience, it's probably worth making sure you can actually undo the lock nut here on the track rod arm before you even begin with this one, because if you're going to have problems with that, there's no point in trying to do this one, and you won't be able to drive the car if you get through this and take an angle grinder to it and then you realise that you can't unfasten this. No, just loosened it up for now. It doesn't really need to move position. In fact, you don't really want it to move position. It'll act as a stop for the new track rod end when you put that on. Let's see if we get lucky. Nearly. Plan B. Tappy tap tap. Time to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. 20 and a half. Hopefully your new track rod end will come with a new nylock lock nut. This is a Lem 4-to-1, this one does. And with that back on in the same position, we can put it back onto the car. I will be talking it, this is just to get it down. Haynes says this is 37 Newton meters. Done. Don't forget to tighten up the lock nut. Doesn't need to be particularly tight, otherwise the tyre fitter plate is going to have a hell of a time next time they do your alignment. And that's it, you're done. That was quick and easy, wasn't it? Cheers for watching.